Techniques. We all love new techniques. Techniques to become the magnet, to have the ability to attract what you desire. Isn't that what it's all about? It's about knowing that we are all a magnet. And every day, the law of attraction is working for us. The law of cause and effect is working for us, so that we can be the magnet that attracts what we desire. This is a technique more so than a system. It is a skill that you learn, and it is a skill that you will keep learning more and more every day. It's not something that you're going to learn once and it's going to be there and then it's just going to be a habit. This is something you have to create in your life to have this technique to be a magnet for what you desire. And when you do, you are going to do yourself so much good. It's just going to be so much easier for you, because you want to be the magnet. You want to be the magnet that you are attracting what you desire, not what you don't desire. So this is part of your mindset. This is part of you being everything you need to be. So attract what you desire. Okay? This is so important. And it helps you also if you're in network marketing, using attraction marketing as you're networking with other business owners to grow your business, to maybe share ideas, systems, strategies, different things in different groups. This is a huge bonus for that. So it's all about you saying with emotion, say with emotion, anything that you want to attract to you. It's about what you're saying. You want to back up what you want with emotion. And the more you do this, the more in tune you find you are to what's happening and what's going on, the more you're going to see these wonderful things come to play for you. It is a given, guys. It is such a given. So words are actually raw power. And what do I mean by raw power? And like I said, if you're networking and you're building your business and you're talking to other people, the words you are relaying are with emotion, right? You are putting emotion into your words that you're speaking, which gives them raw power, which means they have no limit, because your emotions are a huge part of your mindset, and your mindset is the foundation for your life, for your business. The mindset you have right now, right this minute, is determining what your life is. So if you're a person that has a fantastic mindset, you're also in tune with everything, you have great habits, you have a morning routine that you do every day regardless, you meditate every day, you're focused, you're growing, and maybe you haven't got your business all the way going yet, but you're right there on the cusp, and it's right there going to happen for you. You are there on the cusp. Your raw power is so prevalent. It's just so great. If you're on the other end of the spectrum and you don't have a lot of self-confidence, you don't have discipline, you have an excuse for everything that's going on around you, and everything is why you're not getting where you're going and everything that's not happening. If you're that person, then this could be a great technique that will help you to learn how to attract what you desire. When you use your words and the raw power that they have, I mean, this is amazing, guys. I use this technique, and I use it easily, and I use it often. So, because your words create. Every word you speak, whether it be a negative word or a positive word, is creating in your life. So take a look at this, because this also changes your subconscious. The more you use this technique, use your words, the raw power of your emotions behind those words, the more you use this, the more you put it out there, the more it goes forward, the more you're attracting back to you what it is you're desiring most. And you want to be desiring what it is that's going to help you. Do not say words that will not help you. Do not say negative words, because those will definitely not help you. Do not say words that will in any way, shape, or form harm, hurt, or inflict pain on anyone, including yourself. Because you know what? You are an amazing, beautiful person. You were created by God, and you are here for a reason. We all have a purpose. We all have a reason why we're here. We all have a reason for what we're doing. We all have a reason behind everything. We just have to take that reason and go forward with it, okay? Believe what you're saying, because when you do, if you believe you're saying something great about yourself, it's going to happen. It may not happen overnight. It may not happen right now. It may not happen in the next 10 minutes, but it's going to happen. So the technique is the best way to erase limiting beliefs, because the more you get rid of what's holding you back, don't you realize that that is what is stopping you from getting to the next level? That's what is stopping you from taking action. That's what is stopping you from investing in yourself. Invest your money, invest your time, invest your words in yourself. The more you do this and the more you learn this technique, and the more in tune you get to who you are and what you're capable of, you know what? You're going to have those limiting beliefs falling off. And you're going to have room now to replace those limiting beliefs with new beliefs and new habits. Because a belief is a habit, whether we like to admit that or not. A belief is a habit. And the more we are in that habit of talking great about ourselves, being prosperous, being happy, being in tune with what we're doing. And not just that, but using the techniques to learn the systems, to learn the strategies, and to remove the limiting beliefs that are in our way. So when you do this, why are people not buying from you? Why are you not selling your product? Why are your affiliate opportunities not reaching the masses? Look at what you're doing and look at what you're saying. Because everything here is all about you and what you're doing. Let people see you are the authority. Let people see that you know what you're talking about. Let people see that you are the leader. The more you do this, the more you use your words. Like I said, invest in yourself. Invest your time, invest your money, invest your words in yourself. This technique will help you get rid of the limiting beliefs. It will help you to replace those old nasty habits that are not helping you, my friend, with habits that will help you and that will take you forward. It is that simple. It is that easy. Once you get your mindset in order to say, you know what, I will not go back to criticizing myself. I will not go back to being the person that doesn't have what I want. I will not go back to being that person. So do what you need to do. Use your mindset. Use your words. Words are raw power, guys. If you're saying negative words, if you're saying bad words, if you're saying swear words, those are negative power that have a way of grabbing on to people and holding on and not letting go. You have to take the power back and let it go. Okay? It is a technique. It is a limiting belief that holds you down. When you release that limiting belief and you go forward, you are an amazing person in an amazing world. Okay? Please like, share, subscribe, and I do have an offer for you in the description. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.